What's CRI? Color Rendering Index. Why is it important? CRI is just a measurement to understand light quality. When you think of CRI, you think of how light looks or how color looks under noonday sun. If you're standing in noonday sun and see 100 colors, you have 100 CRI. Often when we were younger, we would play under yellow street lights. That CRI would be down in the 40s and 50s. Most landscape lighting products are at 80 CRI. Our products are at 97 to 99 CRI. So what's the difference? It just means we're able to pick up typically an additional 15 to 18 different variations of colors. This is really important when we're trying to get into high definition. When we're trying to light a tree, and you may think the bark is brown, but actually there's 5 different shades of brown going up the tree. You may think the leaves are green, but there's 7 different shades of green in that leaf. So if we're able to capture more color and more definition, your projects are going to look better. Your landscaping is going to look better. So we put a high value on CRI. We believe that CRI is just a great way to measure your overall light quality.